Hello, I'm Steffi Stanley, and today I'm going to explain to you about the various string functions and the use of the match and proof regular expressions in C Sharp. Here, I have a customer feedback system which is used to get the feedback from all the users. First, I'm using two variables of SB, SB1 of the string builder type. SB is thank you and SB1 is contact details. And next, I have a function called log. In the log function, it is used to register the customer and to get the customer details. So in the log function, I'll get the login ID and the password, and then the user has to confirm the password. The password and the confirm password is stored in pass and cpass, and then using the match regular expression, I match if the password and the confirm password is same, and if it is same, then the match will be successful. And if it is successful, then the user will have to enter his details like the first name, the last name, the phone number, and the email ID. And if the match was not successful, then the following message will be displayed as the password incorrect and try again. Next, I have the feedback function. In the feedback function, the user has to enter his login ID and the password, and then using the compare to function, I compare if the entered login ID and the password is same as the one that has already been registered, and if it is same, then the customer can enter his feedback. Uh, Next, I am going to explain to you about the toUpper function. Here I have used the toUpper function to convert the first name of the user into uppercase. Then I have a pattern. This is the FB is the feedback, and then here we have a pattern of this type, and then using the match regular expression, I match if the feedback and the pattern is same, and then using the ignore case, it is basically used to ignore if it is uppercase or lowercase, to ignore the case that is being used. And then using the groups regular expression, it is used to match multiple uh, matches in the same string. So this is how it is done. This is the syntax. And then here I am doing the append operation. So SB consisted of thank you, and here I am going to append the first name of the user to thank you, so that the message will be thank you and the user's name. Next, I append line, and then I display this. Next, if the password or the login ID of the user was incorrect, then it would display the wrong ID or the wrong password message. Next, in the view function, it is used to view the feedback that the customer has given. So first, you have to enter the login ID and the password, and then if the login using the compare to function, again the login ID and the password is checked, and if the same, then the feedback of the user can be viewed. So here the customer details. So first the name, the mobile number, and the email ID. So all those things will be displayed. So this is the pad left function of string. So using this, I am going to add space, and then in the left side, and then this the append format function. So as to append the things like the mobile number and the email ID. This the append format is used to append data of different data types. Next, here this is used to add extra white spaces, and then this I have used the replace function to replace uh, a string with the space. The FB, that is the feedback, will be put with space. Uh, and next, I have the to title case. The to title case is used to convert all the first letters to uppercase. Here I have the insert function. So using this function, after the 11th position in a string, these exclamatory marks would be inserted. Here I have again used the replace function to replace thank with thanking, so that will be done. Similarly, if the login was not successful, then the wrong ID and the wrong the wrong password message will be displayed. And now here I have the main function, and this is the option given to the user to first login, then give feedback and to view feedback. So the user can do all the operations based on his choice, and the system would keep running until the user wants. That's all for the coding. So let's see how this works. So here I have entered choice, so I'm going to log in first. I give my login ID as 12, say my password as WE, confirm password. So since my password and the confirmation was same, my login was successful. So I give my first name, say Steffi, last name Stanley, and then my phone number, and then my email ID. So if I want to continue, I give yes. Why? So then next I want to give my feedback, so I go for option 2. So again it asks for my login ID. My login ID was 12 and my password was V. So my login is successful, so I can give my feedback. To my feedback. So that's how it works. So it shows where my RE, the occurrence of RE is being displayed in positions 15 and 18. That is here and here. So and then using the append operation, I've done thank you, Steffi. And so again, if I want to continue and I want to view my feedback, so I go for option 3. Again, login ID, password. So that's how the system keeps on working. Thank you.